Hello guys and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a review on a brand new Colourpop collection. So we have a whole Barbie collection here. It's bright, it's colorful, it's everything for the summer, and there's a bunch of products in here that I could see myself really using and enjoying. So I'm really excited for this collection. I hope that you guys are excited too. If you guys like these reviews, please give this video a thumbs up, and you're gonna get the usual. You're gonna get an eyeshadow palette tutorial, swatches, the rundown on this whole collection. So if you're interested, then just keep on watching. So I just got this whole collection in the mail today, so I don't have the prices in front of me. I know that this collection launched right as I was filming this video, so it should be up now. Probably, I'm guessing a lot of this is sold out, but hopefully it does restock. And if you guys did pick it up, hopefully this review helps you out. But I will leave prices down below if you guys don't know of the prices of this collection already. I'm gonna leave them in the description box in case you wanna check it out, and links to the products. So first up, we have, of course, the eyeshadow palette. This is the Malibu Barbie eyeshadow palette. So the first thing I noticed is that it has cute bubble writing, like it's raised, really nice packaging, and also we have all the raised shades on the back of the palette. The packaging just looks really, really nice. And the bubblegum pink is something that I've just been leaning towards lately, so I'm loving the coloring and packaging of this whole collection. So I swatched this entire palette already. I couldn't wait. So there are marks in the shadows because I already played around with it. I swatched it for Instagram. So I'm gonna go ahead and insert swatches right now. These are the shades in the Malibu Barbie palette from Colourpop. So there's a vibe in here. Like, this is like a pool party in an eyeshadow palette. We have the blues, the aqua, pinks, yellows, and also some neutrals in here. If you wanted to do a neutral look, you definitely could. There's also a pop of yellow and orange. So this is like my favorite type of summer palette. This palette kind of gives me Jeffree Star Cosmetics Thirsty palette vibes. I no longer buy from that brand or support the brand, but that was my favorite palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, as a lot of you guys know. This kind of fits that same vibe. Like, it has the colors, but it also has the metallic neutral shades. So I like that I can get the same kind of effect from this new Malibu Barbie palette. Now, these all swatched consistently with what I'm used to from Colourpop. The only thing that I will mention, the only thing that really stood out, is that the matte blue called Malibu Memories kind of stained my finger a little bit. So I would make sure, no matter what, with colorful shadows, to make sure you have a base down on your eye, just in case it does stain, so it won't stain as bad taking off your makeup at the end of the day. You guys may or may not notice I'm filming on my old camera right now. That's because we're about to do a 2-in-1. We're going to do an Instagram tutorial and a palette review. So I'm going to try this out for the first time and also try to make an Instagram video. So let's dive in. So first I'm going to dive into the only kind of transition shade that I see in the palette, and that is the shade Make Waves. It has the palm tree stamped in it. It's like a soft peach matte color. And I'm going to take this and blend it into the crease. And we're going to see about going for some kind of sunset-esque makeup look today. Once that's in the crease, we're going to deepen that up with a deep orange called SoCal. We're going to go ahead and pop that right on top in the outer corner. So next I'm going to fill in the lid with yellow. So I'm going to take the Sigma Firm Shader Brush and pick up the yellow shade. It's called West Coast. And we're going to pack this in the center. And with no white or yellow base underneath, this is really, really pigmented. Now, I don't want to disturb those colors, so we're going to do a light dusting of a blend right in the center. Barely anything. They kind of blend themselves. Next, I really don't want to ruin this look, so we're going to take a whisper of the hot pink. It's called Best Coast, and that's what we're going to put in the way outer corner, because I want the sunset to be kind of like this little sun on the packaging. It's going to be yellow to orange to hot pink, but I don't want to ruin this look, so I'm going to pick up that same brush I was using earlier. This is the E25 blending, and pick up a little bit of Best Coast, this hot pink in the center, and I'm going to dust it in this outer corner. Then I'm taking a clean E40 to clean up the edges, just to make sure there's nothing that is harsh. Then I just want to brighten up the inner corner. We're keeping it simple here, but there is a beautiful, what I would call a brow bone highlight in here. It's called Cali Girl, and I just want my eyes to be nice and open. So I'm going to put that in the inner corner with a pencil brush. Next, I'm going to pop on the lashes in the collection. They're called doll lashes, and I'm going to do my mascara, pop these on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so these are the doll lashes. I think that they're very cute for like daily wear. They're not super intense and fluttery, but they're easy to put on. So I liked these a lot. And this sunset look is done very simple, very easy to do. Everything blended together beautifully, but I really want to use this palette again. So if you guys want to see any specific colors used, then let me know. Obviously, I want to do something with the blues, so that might be next on my list, but let me know if you want to see that. So if you're a collector of Barbie items, or you're really into this collection because of Barbie and you want the packaging, then make sure you get the hand mirror because the packaging is adorable. This is going to go up in my unit. It's so freaking cute. And the mirror is adorable. It's a little heart-shaped mirror. I won't blind you guys, but it's very small and it has a soft touch to it, and it says Barbie Colourpop on the back. But honestly, the mirror's packaging I think is cuter than the mirror. So love that, keeping this. So next up we have a Super Shock highlighter. This is called Beach Party. Again with the cute packaging. Can't stand how cute it is because I don't want to throw it away. But this highlighter has the palm trees on it. It says Beach Party on it. Raised, puffy packaging, writing, love that. And here is the highlighter itself. It looks like it's going to be a really beautiful kind of champagne, really suitable for everyday type of highlight. Nothing like iridescent or duochrome. So my face needs highlight, so we're going to pick up some of this with a Sigma Rose Gold High Cheekbone Highlighter brush, and just watch how wet these highlighters look. Like instantly. I'm going to warm it up with my finger. I'm going to pat it in because I don't think it needs to be that intense today. And let me give you guys a nice big swatch of this highlight. So last but certainly not least, we have 3 lip duos. So these are bullet lipsticks with Barbie written in them and a lip liner. And if you guys don't know, I'm obsessed with Colourpop's lip liners. I think I have every single shade. I got the Vault around Christmas time, and they're just so creamy, easy to use, and I think there's going to be some really nice nudes in here. So we have 3. We have Malibu Sunset, Dream House, and Golden Beach. First is Malibu Sunset. The packaging has like a sheer frosted plastic packaging of the lipstick, and then you have a pink lip liner. And hopefully you guys can see the beautiful stamping of Barbie in the lipstick. So I'm going to swatch these. This is insanely pigmented. This is just like the color of a sunset. So the lipstick and liner in this case match pretty much perfectly. So this is Malibu Sunset. Next is Dream House. So Dream House is definitely more of a deeper nude. So this is Dream House. And then I think the one I'm most excited for is Golden Beach. And Golden Beach is nude AF. So let's be real, this is the one I'm gonna put on today. There is Golden Beach. So like if you guys go by my standards, do you see what I mean by everything in this collection is wearable? That is something new for me when it comes to reviewing a whole collection. Like every single thing in here I'm excited for because I would wear it out of the house. Like not just for an artistic day, not just for like I'm feeling special, but like I will wear this just whenever. So of course we're going to apply the Golden Beach. This is a My Lips But Better lip liner, so I'm gonna get my use out of this for sure. So that is the perfect peachy, brownie, pinky nude, like a mixture of all 3. So that was everything out of the Colourpop and Barbie collection. I'm super impressed with this. This is one of those collections where I would purchase the full collection. So if you guys are looking to purchase this and it's still available, you can use discount codes on this collection. I have a code with Colourpop. It is Kendall. I will leave all the prices down below in case you guys are interested, as well as links if you want to shop this collection. So I'm going to go. I'm going to leave you guys, but I'm going to leave you with swatches of the Malibu Barbie palette. So if you wanted 1x1 swatches, they're going to roll at the end of this video. But thank you guys so much for watching. I don't have anything else to say about this collection. It's definitely approved by me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up for me, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new here so you don't miss out on future videos. And hopefully I will see you guys all very soon in my next one. Bye guys.